This is Miss Eveline. This is this wonderful rug, silk rug. You can tell she's done the sides of it. Now she's taken everything off here and she's putting handmade fringe on it. Miss Eveline, show them that fringe, how beautiful it is. And this is just the first part of it. She'll tie this knots and then she'll trim it to the customer's desires, and it's going to be amazing. This rug is in pristine condition, so it'll last a very, very long. This is what we do at Oriental Rug Care, taking care of each individual rug personally. Give us a call.